Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore Pika. Generating from text to video or from image to video. Yes, it's currently free. Join us and watch the video until the end. Search Pika on Google and click the first link, pika.art. Pika is a dynamic idea to video platform that empowers users to bring their creativity to life. With Pika, you can easily transform your ideas into compelling videos that captivate audiences and tell your story in a visually engaging way. Sign in with Google account, or you may sign in it with Discord. Pika provides the tools and resources to help you craft professional-looking videos with ease. From intuitive editing features to a variety of customizable templates, Pika makes the video creation process seamless and enjoyable. As a beginner, Pika will offer me 250 credits for free. If I choose to upgrade my plan, I can review the pricing specifics here. Today, I will utilize all 250 complimentary credits to produce a short video, as shown in the introduction. Let's try using text to video. I will type a prompt that is specifically in my mind and let Pika generate my prompt. You can choose the style you want your video to resemble. I opted for a natural look. Click Generate. Let's go, Pika. Generating the text to an image doesn't take much time. This is not what I expected at all. Nowhere near my imagination. Click on Image to Video to open your file and download it. Type your prompt and click Generate. Therefore, I must resort to using other AI software available to generate images from my text. Yeah, but Pika is really good at generating images for videos. Now, I want to enhance my video to a more cinematic aspect ratio of 16:9. Click on Expand Canvas and select 16:9. I don't really like for the first result, there are too many white spots, and the river doesn't seem realistic. Let's edit and reframe this image. You can drag the image to reposition the subject. After you are satisfied with your image composition, retype the prompt and click Generate. Yes, now it looks better. Pika is really good at expanding the canvas. Save your work by clicking on the download button. You can also generate lip sync, sound effects, or modify the region. Let's now try to generate sound effects. Enter the sound effect prompt and click Generate. You will have 3 options to choose from to suit your video. Pick your sound effect and attach to video. Click the control button to have full control over your camera shot. You can pan, tilt, rotate, and zoom in or out. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the intensity of motion, frames per second, and exclude any undesired elements from appearing in your video. Save all your 3-second videos and combine them in a video editor. Arrange the scenes and storyline. Try it yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this channel.